YouTube, I am Eli the Fatigued. We're getting started on making our base here. Got an idea of how I want things to go. So, one moment to finish disassembling this junk. Alright, so directly below me, 2 down. All the planks. And inventory. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Rest of this. Ew, what have I done? Rest of this, like I was saying. That. That. Grab all these. Not the most comfortable, but. Alright, so directly below me, and grab blankets. Being blank. Something. Other. Here we go. What do we have to eat? Fish sandwich. Batter fried fish. Alright. And then we can read it. I do want to get into that barracks. We can do, potentially. We can read all these books. Anyway, I may not have said, I'm Eli the Fatigued. This is Cataclysm Dark Days Ahead. Welcome back. Alright, so I need computers to 5. Should have SICP, which is to 8. Where's SICP also to 5? I don't know. We'll see. No, I think SICP is to 8, along with advanced programming or something. Okay. Get through this book. Come on, just get us through this book. Then I'll go check, see if those lockpicks I made off screen work on that door up there. We'll see. Ooh, I should actually check out the devices book now that I'm thinking about it. Devices to 8 minutes. Handling to 4 minutes. Oh my gosh, even passing 5 minutes is a nightmare. I don't know, it feels slow to me. Let's get computers to advanced program 6. 15 minutes or 15 minutes is -1. That was -1. So let's just get the one to 6, I guess. Okay. Must be spawning out of a portal. Will probably happen there. The portal wanted to. There's probably two separate things of code. There's definitely two separate things of code interacting there. Portal was wanting to spawn a creature, while the small slime moved into that space. So those two pieces of code did not talk to each other. I don't know if they even can, but I'm just saying that they didn't talk to each other, and therefore the portal decided, okay, I'm going to place this on this space, even though this creature is going to move there, because I don't know it's going to move there. So I'm going to place this creature on this space, and then the small slime moved there, and it caused an error. That's my thoughts. I'm not the greatest programmer ever. I'm not even a good programmer. But I do understand programming. To an extent. Okay. Cool. Here's 5. Here's 5 on the barracks. Based upon my teacher's knowledge, should be at least 8 before I go after a barracks. I believe even on computers 8 and intelligence 14, you can still fail the internal barracks computer, the one that actually gets you into the armory. Sorry, I just think it's funny that I said. I don't know why I phrased it that way. I've been reading way too much anime. Crap, I guess. Or watching too much. Whatever. Okay. SICP, right? Yep. And it's actually. It's neutral. No plus, no minus because of my bookworm. It's 2-8, 22 minutes. Let's try and do that. I'm gonna go do that barracks, then see if I can get a gun. Then maybe if I can get a gun, I can shoot the turret. If that doesn't work, we're gonna have to go back to the EMP idea, which I will probably check out after this. There's not much to say while you're just waiting. So I've talked about my plans. Alright, I was also going to check the lockpicks. That's right. After this book, lockpicks and EMP. Gotta check those. Lockpick would be really nice, because then we could maybe get out to a cargo truck if there's one out there. If not, there might be another vehicle out there, which would be nice. Here's a 7. Okay. Cool. Alright, I have to go all the way up. Oops. All the way up. All the way up. All the way down. Doo-doo-doo. Okay. Oh, I dropped the lockpicks. Ah. That's just annoying. Fortunate. Lock. Thank you. Hi, scientist. Worse. Hi, scientist. He's still out here. Nice, they're not. Okay. Kill him. Body bag. Ooh, wallet. Science ID card. Maybe they've moved on. Oh my gosh, what happened here? In first class. What happened here? Seriously. Goodness gracious. Flying pollen. Oh yeah, that thing. Mold. Gee whiz. Alright, the beast got out. Flaming eyes all the way down here. Can't see me. That's the important. And how can he see me? How? Of course, I'm hallucinating now. Ah. Oh, what's this? Ooh. Yeah, I didn't want to do that. Oh, repair guy. Gosh. Bloody flaming eyes. Waiting 30 minutes was a bad idea. Nice, lots of block. No, I should just drop these here, actually. Wallet. Yeah, you know, I'm an idiot. I accept that. I know. I know I don't need to worry about the turret. That's something that I just realized I've been worrying about, and I don't need to. Oh, dear. Responder. Can't see me if I'm out of the reality bubble, you stupid flaming eye. Engineering. Not reality bubble, but out of my map range. Ah. Whoopsie. I just ran into him, didn't realize it. Oh, go away. What's killing all these zombies that's not me? And Migos, for that matter. Are they freezing to death? That doesn't make sense. Looking for a vehicle on the road. I don't really want to drive the cargo truck if I can help it. Don't think there's going to be anything here. Rural house now, yeah. Figures much. Might be something on the road along it somewhere. Bicycle vehicle. Hey, doubt it's working. Yeah, no wheels. It's already hard enough to find a working vehicle. That's why I don't add the cars to Rex mod. That's just stupid. Silliness. Alright. I should probably come back here during daytime with the binos. Ooh, that's a vehicle. No wheels. That's probably the same vehicle. No, it wasn't. That flaming eye is dead. No, it's not. And good. Keeps blocking the flaming eye. Oh my gosh. Go away, flaming eye. Leave me alone. Okay, I gotta wait. Of course, there's another one. Where? Yeah. Through all the glasses. Oh my god. Stop, stop, stop. Stop, 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 stop. The green and magenta two-legged juvenile. Oh, that's a real zombie. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die here, aren't I? Holy crap, that would have sucked. Stupid. Flaming eyes. All I have to say there. Ah, my right leg's gonna die. Headgear. Molly pack. Arm guards took some damage. Lab coat and nothing super. Molly pack's kind of important. Okay. Almost died. But we're fine. If that leg had given way, I probably would have died. Alright. Figured you were probably just sitting out here. Part of it is I'm, like, slightly weary, yeah. You know, let's prevent that. Let's kill these stupid jerks. One more, right? Yeah. There. Prevent that from happening in the future. Please and thank you. Oh my gosh. Another one in here. He followed me. He followed me. Okay, so we got him. They're all dead. Okay. That was unfortunate. Good thing is, I'm pretty sure we got a good amount of medical supplies down here. Alright. And I picked up some more. That's good. Definitely want to keep our head and torso alive. Without those, I'm pretty sure I just straight up die. Hey, man. Where's the... Oh, meat sandwiches were rotten. Baked eggnog? Huh. Where are the... Interceptor. In the 3 worst spots. That should be fine. Some bacon. Why not? Oh yeah, ton of clean water. Labs, what can you say? Ton of clean water. Alright, time to sleep. That was kind of nuts. I need to end the episode here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe if you've enjoyed any dimension of this episode. See you next time. Bye.